If hair growth is not normal, then it cannot be called healthy hair. Hair growth is impaired if not properly nourished. There are some simple things that can be done to speed up hair growth. Today we will show you how to grow your hair at home. First, take 3 tablespoons aloe vera gel in a bowl. Extracted from the aloe vera plant, aloe vera gel works wonders for the skin and hair. Suitable to be used daily, it soothes and moisturizes the skin. It contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. The aloe vera gel makes the hair shiny, promotes hair growth and acts as a natural conditioner. Add 2 tablespoons castor oil. This is because castor oil has moisturizing properties, which could help lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chance of breakage. Add 3 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E may help support a healthy scalp and hair as it has natural antioxidant effects that could assist with maintaining hair growth. The vitamin's antioxidant properties could help reduce the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals that cause the hair follicle cells in a person's scalp to break down. Mix well. Now apply this mask on hair scalp to hair length for 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash your hair with shampoo to get best result. Apply this mask 2 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.